I, Lindsay Grant, nominated as the candidate for election as a member of the National Assembly for the Electoral District of St. Christopher, number 4, and I, Lindsay Grant of Sir Gillies Estate, Sandy Point, in the parish of St. Anne, do solemnly and sincerely swear as follows: that I am duly qualified in accordance with Section 27 and Section 28 of the Constitution of St. Christopher and Nevis to be elected as a member of the National Assembly for the electoral district, and that 1, I am a citizen of St. Christopher and Nevis of the age of 21 years and upwards. 2, I am domiciled in St. Christopher and Nevis. 3, I am not, by virtue of my own act, under acknowledgement of allegiance, obedience, or adherence to a foreign power or state. 4, I am not a minister of religion. 5, I am not an undischarged bankrupt, having been adjudged or otherwise declared bankrupt under any law. 6, I am not a person certified to be insane or otherwise adjudged to be of unsound mind under any law. 7, I am not under a sentence of death imposed on me by any court of law in any part of the Commonwealth, nor am I serving a sentence of imprisonment by whatever name called, exceeding 12 months imposed on me by such a court, or substituted by a competent authority for some other sentence of imprisonment, the execution of which has been suspended. I am not disqualified for membership of the National Assembly by any law of the National Assembly by reason of my holding or acting in any office, the functions of which involve a, any responsibility for or in connection with the conduct of any election of representatives or members of the Nevis Island Assembly, or b, any responsibility for the compilation of any register of voters for the purpose of electing representatives or members of the Nevis Island Assembly. 9, I am not disqualified from membership of the National Assembly by virtue of any law of Parliament by reason of a, my having been convicted of criminal offence that is in connected with the conduct of any election of representatives or members of the Nevis Island Assembly, or b, having been reported guilty of such an offence by a court trying an election petition. 10, I am not disqualified for membership of the National Assembly by any law of Parliament by reason of a, my holding or acting in any office or appointment specified by such law, and b, my belonging to any defense force or to any class of persons so specified that is comprised in any such force, and c, my belonging to any police force specified by such law or to any class of persons so specified. And 11, I am not disqualified from membership in the National Assembly by virtue of my having any contract or interest in any contract with the government or with a department of the government or any officer of the government acting as such. I make this declaration conscientiously, believing the same to be true, and I am aware that if there is any statement in the declaration which is false or do not believe to be true, I am liable to a fine and imprisonment